How to fix Facebook error unable to log in on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can fix the error of you not being unable to log in onto your Facebook. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to fix the Facebook error of you not being able to log in into your account, there are some things that you need to do. So one of them is open your main settings of your app first. After that, if any kind of update is available on your phone, you may just update your Android device. For that, you may just go to About Phone. And if you find any kind of software update, then you should update your phone. After updating your phone, I want you to go under apps where you will be searching for Facebook here. Just type in Facebook here, and here you just need to go under storage and clear the cache and clear data as well if necessary. You may just go to manage stories and you can see this delete app. You can see this delete app data. You may just simply tap on delete and confirm it, and you need to reinstall your app as well if necessary. After the reinstallation is complete, you may just try entering into your account. If that doesn't work, another thing is make sure you have a good internet connection. If that problem is due to your internet connection, you may just go up and search for network settings. You can see this reset network settings here easily. Just tap on reset network settings and that should help you. And the last thing we can do is just simply restart our device and try to log in into our Facebook account again. So this is basically how you can fix the Facebook error unable to log in. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.